Good afternoon, everyone. We are here from Junior 6 MCBB. We are going to present you about our project, biology project, which is related with human urinary system. Urinary system is a group of organs which work together to filtrate blood by moving waste products of metabolism like urine and excess water from our bodies to the surroundings. I know all of you are too curious about knowing about our project and the process of urination because we always go to the toilet for urination, but exactly you don't know how that process occurs in our body. We always wonder how and which part that involves in the urination process. So be attentive so that your curiosity will be ended through our presentation. We have mainly four topics that we want you to know is what we are going to present. The first is procedures, the second, how nephron works, the third, urinary system, and the fourth is recommendations and conclusions. Thank you. Thank you. My name is Nishime Aline. I'm going to talk to you the materials we have used in order to construct this urinary system. I know all of you will wonder yourself the materials we have used. But materials we have used marker, feeder, scotch, cardboard, bottles. Other thing we have used is season. Other thing we have used is Another thing you have used is the photos. Another thing I'm going to tell you is procedures we have brought in order to construct this urinary system. First, we have made research from internet and in the book, lab and Cambridge is where we have found the information. Another thing, second step, we have collected the materials we used to construct this urinary system. Another thing, we have cardboard and we have cut it cardboard and we make appropriate shape of urinary system. After cutting those the appropriate shape of urinary system, we have designed them. After designing them, we have designed body on we join them by using scotch and glue. After joining them by using scotch and glue, we have connected bottles with pipe and after joining bottles with pipes, we have put it on our designed urinary system. After putting those after connecting bottles with pipe on designed urinary system, we have tested how our urinary system working well. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Jennifer Jean-Pierre. I'm going to tell you how this urinary system works. You see here we have a shaped right beam. So that is called the kidney. Is a part of our urinary system. That kidney is a small part where urine formation takes place. In that kidney we have what we call nephron. It's a small functional unit of kidney. So, what I'm going to tell you also what happened in the nephron. You see here we have our shape like that. That is nephron. Here in nephron we have a small part called the Bowman capsule. That Bowman capsule there is also small which called the glomerulus. That glomerulus is where process called the ultrafiltration is taking place. In that ultrafiltration through that the blood pumped from heart, it comes with blood, high pressure and enter in glomerulus. Once it reaches in glomerulus, the small molecule and large molecule which contains in that glomerulus are filtrated. So the small molecules are filtrated from glomerulus into bone and capsule. Is that the shape you see here? Then after the larger molecule remain in glomerulus, but small one are moved out. So after those small molecules are continue in our glomerulus and reach in what you see here is called the loop of Henry. That loop of Henry is where reabsorption takes place. Reabsorption is the process where the molecules that were not reabsorbed or that were not used are reabsorbed again by the blood vessels or when the body wants it. So in descending order is where water reabsorbed again, but when in ascending is where sodium chloride as that reabsorbed again. Then after when those molecules are reabsorbed, the remaining one are continue in what we call collecting duct. That collecting duct is to collect all remaining what or all remaining molecules that will not reabsorb and continue on what we call that kidney. There where those molecules will be excreted. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is
Time,
I'm going
please.
to show you when the unit are just moving here in the kidney, it just flow here.
Summarize your
In this
presentation.
part which is called ureter and just it move here as we can show you if the unit is formed. As you see here, the urine which is formed here, it just moves like this and then enter here in the urinary bladder before it goes out. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Nuko Sylvie. I'm here to tell you about conclusion, even recommendation. For us, recommendation I can tell you is this. To bring these things was very difficult for us, but we have tried to search information about how we can make our kidney. We have used YouTube, even books. Other thing I can say is about conclusion. As conclusion, I think all of you have you understood about our urinary system work. So, and even you understand that our urinary system has, I can say it is very important for us. We can't live without having it. This reason why I can encourage everyone to take care for her urinary system, especially kidney, because you understand that our kidney is one which play role in the excretion of waste like urea, and even it is the one which help us to regulate the osmotic pressure. Yes, I can encourage everyone to be able to protect his or her kidney, especially by drinking much water. Thank you so much.
Thank you for all the advice. One question, because of time. Let's one.
Thank you. My name is Rama Onwenu from Senior 2. My question is, what will happen when those two ureters are damaged? Which can replace it? And what will happen when those two, nephron is damaged? Thank you. Thank you for your question. You asked us if what can happen if those two nephrons are damaged. If those two nephrons are damaged, it means that the filtration, those chemicals are not used in the body. If there is no other, they can just use dialysis machine for filtration. But if you don't have ability to buy those dialysis machine, you can just the chemicals can accumulate in the body and cause problem of dying. But there is other way for the one who have the ability to buy that dialysis machine for helping in filtration. Thank you.
Yeah. Clap for them. Yeah. I would like to